100%. I wish I would have gotten it earlier.
Hi, Marina.
Hi. I've been wanting this for nearly 15 years. I lost a lot of weight in my teens. After losing so much weight rapidly, I naturally felt a little bit insecure with the volume loss. Honestly, I think it'll just help me feel more comfortable in clothes. I think I'll have more options to shop around with and be able to just feel more confident with myself and want to go out and do more. Excited. I think the nerves are slowly building, but I still feel at ease. Very subtle, just natural, yes. Actually, over the past few years, I've looked at other clinics on and off, but I really felt drawn to urban plastic surgery because for me, it looked like they were a little bit more natural and not so dramatic. I really liked that approach, and it seemed like yourself but better results. So that's what I was looking for, and I immediately clicked with the staff when I came here, so I felt at ease really well. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry, I'm so awkward.
가슴에 이제 프로시스가 있잖아요. 브레스트 전체가 이게 처져 있는 느낌 좀 심하고 여러 가지 이유가 있겠지만 일단은 피부가 많이 남는 거예요. 스킨을 줄이고 속의 볼륨을 늘리고.
We're gonna reduce.
그럼 한번 서서 제가 그림을 그릴까요 이제?
So what we're gonna do is
많이 아프거나 그런 건 없으셨는지?
pain was there? Not pain, just swelling. It looks good.
그리고 그때 걱정했던 거는 이 흉터가 그때는 스카가 좀 더 위에 있는 것처럼
And the scar
보였지만
looked like-
붓기가 빠지면서
And the
그것도
one-
맞춰졌어요.
The
매우 잘 된 것 같아요.
but it looks much better.
네. 혹시 궁금하신 거 한국말 할 줄 아시는구나.
I don't have any questions.
Any
No,
more
good.
questions?
No, I'm good. Yeah.
오케이. 너보다 보형물도 다 괜찮은데 여기 흉터가 조금 빨개졌어요. 거기다 주사를 좀 썼으면 해요.
Would you mind like? Oh, okay. Alright, sure.
근데 좀 아파요.
But it's gonna hurt a bit. Oh, sure. I don't mind.
네.
It's been fantastic. The past month, I would say I've rapidly gotten better and better. It feels like every week I feel significantly more like myself. I get really anxious whenever I go shopping or deciding an outfit to wear. Now I don't feel it at all. I'm more excited, I would say. Obviously, yes, 100%. I wish I would have gotten it earlier. I would say it's been the biggest confidence boost I've ever had. I already recommended to another friend to get it done, and she's already planning to.
자, 그래서 지내시면서 불편한 거 혹시 없었는지?
For during this whole process?
No.
크기나 모양은 어때요? 만족도는?
And size. Are you
감사합니다. 이렇게 돌려보시고.
And turn.
지금 제가 보기에도 자연스럽고 괜찮고요. 원래 가장 걱정이
My biggest concern was
수처했던 사이트가
The
되게
area
넓어지고
about
안 예뻐지는
suture.
거거든요. 지금 그런 건 거의 없어요.
이제 wire 브라자.
이제는 하는 게 좋아요. 그리고 혹시 운동 같은 거 하실 때는 더 타이트한 스포츠 브라 입어서 많이 안 흔들리게 주의해
And
주셔야
then when
돼요.
you do
알겠습니다.
any other questions? No? That's
네,
it.
만족해 하시니까 저도 기쁘네요.
The results.
Go ahead.
감사합니다.
Especially from my partner. He was actually against my surgery at first because he thought it wouldn't turn out natural. But actually once, I would say about a week or two after the surgery, he was shocked how natural they looked. So I would say definitely do your research and consult as much as possible, because one of the biggest reasons why I decided to go here was previous consultations. It felt like I was just another number to them, but here they really listened to me, listened to my concerns, and heard me out.